Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best G2 ultra-fine pens you can get on the market. The Pilot G2 Premium Gel Roller Pens with an ultra-fine 0.38mm tip. Available in a pack of 12 with black ink. If you're looking for smooth, precise writing with long-lasting performance, this is the pen that truly stands out. Right from the start, the Pilot G2 Premium Gel Pens impress with their ultra-fine point, allowing you to create crisp, clean lines whether you're jotting down notes, drawing, sketching, or doodling. The 0.38mm tip is perfect for detailed writing and intricate designs, giving you excellent control and precision. This makes them ideal for students, professionals, artists, or anyone who values neat, fine writing. One of the key highlights of these pens is the gel ink formula. The ink glides effortlessly across the page, providing a smooth and consistent writing experience without skips or blobs. What's even better is that the gel ink is proven to be long-lasting, so you can write more without frequently needing to replace your pen. This is great for heavy users who rely on their pens daily. Comfort during extended writing sessions is another strong point. Each pen features a contoured rubber grip designed ergonomically to support your hand and reduce fatigue. This thoughtful design makes it easier to write for longer periods without discomfort or cramping, which is a huge advantage for students taking notes or professionals working on lengthy documents. These pens are also retractable, making them convenient to carry and use without worrying about losing caps or making a mess. Plus, they are refillable, allowing you to reduce waste and save money by simply replacing the ink cartridge instead of buying new pens every time. This is a responsible choice for both your budget and the environment. The ink itself is vibrant and quick drying, which helps prevent smudges and smears on your paper. This feature is especially useful for left-handed writers or anyone who needs their work to look clean and professional immediately after writing. The Pilot G2 line has built a strong reputation for quality and innovation in writing instruments. Along with this premium gel roller pen, they offer a range of products including erasable pens, ballpoints, fountain pens, and more. But when it comes to ultra-fine gel pens that combine smooth writing, precision, comfort, and longevity, this product is a top contender. In summary, the Pilot G2 Premium Gel Roller Pens with a 0.38mm ultra-fine point deliver excellent performance for everyday writing tasks and artistic projects alike. Their smooth gel ink, ergonomic grip, retractable design, and refillable feature make them a smart and practical choice for anyone who wants reliable, high-quality pens. That's all for today's review from Product Critique. If you want a pen that truly lives up to the best G2 ultra-fine pen title, these Pilot G2s are worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews.